Crypto Underground is back with another video about Bitcoin and why Bitcoin is most likely creating again new all-time highs in a not so distant future, and why in 2025 we should be invested of course in Bitcoin and also into tier 1 altcoins, since I believe that this year will be the year where we can make the most gains out of it. Of course guys, no financial advice, just my own opinion. This is of course no financial advice, so welcome everyone on board. Make sure to be subscribed on our nice crypto family that we're building up here. We are covering of course here daily crypto content such as the Bitcoin price analysis, Ethereum price analysis and other altcoins, and of course we also always gonna have a look into new upcoming crypto projects that are good to buy right now. So we're gonna dive here first into Bitcoin. This is the 4-hour time frame. As you can see, we're still moving within this channel with this clear support at $108,800. If we would see a bounce from it, then of course we could attack the resistance at around 115k and create again new all-time highs. But of course 115k wouldn't be then the cycle top most likely. In the opposite, I think that a very big move is in front of us, looming behind the curtains, guys. And we have different evidence in the charts that are suggesting that we could see, of course, the cycle top of this bull run this year, and of course at much higher prices. And therefore I want to pull out some evidence, guys, thanks to some indicators, very simple and easy indicators. There are thousands and thousands of models, price models for Bitcoin, and of course also theories to what prices Bitcoin can go and how high Bitcoin can go and so on. But here we're gonna cover just some indicators that I'm watching at. And one is of course the global M2 money supply, which is still rising of course, and as long as this one is going higher and higher, I'm expecting that also Bitcoin will move according to that. That means like here the global M2 money supply that we always see push to the upside, sideways consolidation, push to the upside, sideways consolidation, and so on. And based on that, we should be of course seeing Bitcoin trading somewhere at around $180,000 by the time of course that we will catch up with the performance of the global M2 money supply, because whenever we went up, then of course the Bitcoin price went also up, and whenever the global M2 money supply is going sideways or down, we have seen exactly the same also here with the Bitcoin price. So this is currently one indicator that I'm watching, and why I believe that this bull run of course still has some legs. Then if we go over into the weekly time frame and we open up the Bitcoin rainbow chart, also here on the higher time frames, you can see that we are of course clear in this upwards moving wave basically, and as long as we are trending to the upside, Bitcoin has the chance to enter into this purple, orange or even red zone up here. The maximum is currently at around $250,000. The orange one is at around $80,000, so perfectly matching with our potential global M2 supply target that we have. But I believe that Bitcoin has the chance, with all those bullishness that we are seeing right now in the markets, to reach even here this red zone up here at around 200k would be of course great to see. But based on the rainbow chart, you can see that we are basically by far not at the potential cycle top of this bull run. It should be coming much later. Latest when we are again shifting down here, like you can see over here, when the red moving average came down again, then of course we can expect latest then the cycle top, if not before that. But latest when we are again curved to the downside, then of course we are basically in danger to enter into a bear market afterwards. And something else that I'm also watching is of course the yearly candles for Bitcoin. So if we zoom out here into the yearly time frame, you can see that Bitcoin always has, after the cycle top was in, the next year in red, and then we need like 3 years to reach the cycle top. Then we have another year with red, then another 3 years to reach the cycle top. Then the next year is again red, and you know what comes next, guys? 3 years in a row green and the cycle top. We don't know yet where it's gonna be, but basically in this year, like we had it with every other cycle, we should be seeing the cycle top this year of course, which will be most likely at much higher prices. Since last year we had this breakout above the previous all-time high, like we always did so far. So the big question is, of course, only where we're going to top out. But I think that this year we're going to see the cycle top of Bitcoin. And then maybe in 2026, we're going to see another red candle like this one over here, where then, of course, we enter into a bear market before the cycle repeats all over again. Let me know what do you think about this theory in the comment section, guys. And of course, feel free to subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and also check out some of the upcoming crypto projects as well, because I believe that when Bitcoin is going to parabolic new highs, we're gonna of course see also a nice altcoin season. Same like Ethereum, also still moving within this triangle, rising wedge or ascending triangle, support at $2,500, resistance at $2,800. I believe that also Ethereum, once it's gonna break out again above this resistance here at around 3K, that we're gonna see also for Ethereum, most likely here, huge new all-time highs, and hopefully then of course also go to insane high levels, because also here we're forming kind of an ascending triangle if we would re-enter back into this pattern here, of course, so back above $3,000. Then here the breakout target could be huge for Ethereum. I'm still thinking about somewhere at around 10K here for Ethereum. This year is possible, but really if things are starting to heat up here for Ethereum. And then also we have a bunch of new coins coming out, which in my opinion are also good to buy right now, like Solexi. I am buying into this one. This is the current price per Solexi coin. This one is launching in 19 days. Until then, you have time to invest into this one. They raised over 41.5 millions. That means that a lot of people are investing currently into this new Solana layer 2 solution. You can also see here the tokenomics of the coin, the history. You can browse through everything here of this coin directly here on the website. You can also buy and stake it for 97% API. If you want to buy into Solexi, which is currently very hyped, then of course you can check out the link here in the video description. Then we also have Mind of Paper, which is coming out in 3 days. So in 3 days, the pre-market phase is over. Watch out for that, guys. If you want to invest into this one, there is also a big staking reward of 216%. They raised over 10.8 million as well. You can buy with crypto or also with credit card if you want. The link is of course also here in the video description. And last but not least, we have the Bitcoin Bull. This token is one of the smaller one with 6.5 millions in comparison to the big ones. But this one here is gonna be coupled with the performance of Bitcoin. And that's why I'm very bullish also on this new Bitcoin meme coin that will come out. I also bought into this one. You can connect the DeFi wallet that you want, and then of course check it out and also be invested into this new coin. Then before we want to wrap it up, remember also with Pepe Influencer, this new Pepe meme coin that is also coming out. This is just getting started. Those are like extremely new ones that are just coming out right now. They are already featured in different crypto websites as well. And here, if you're buying in, you can stake it for 4,500%, because here, of course, we are still in the very, very early stage. So this one has just started. That's why the API is so high. And also for Pepeto over here, this one is another Pepe themed meme coin. Also here, the price that you can see here is per coin. You can buy also into this one if you want. The link is also in the video description. And here also we're gonna have basically a meme coin with a utility case, because this one here is also gonna offer you like a DeFi exchange. And yeah, I think we need more such crypto products in the future, and that's why I believe that also here this Pepeto one could be a good one right now to buy. Of course, no financial advice. Is all your risk, guys, if you're buying into those new coins, but I'm currently investing into new coins that are completely freshly out, and of course also that are running since quite some time, where you see a big hype around it. Then of course I like to invest into them for future launches, of course, especially if they're launching here on Mexi Global. You see also today a lot of coins are coming out, and also if you're trading Bitcoin or other altcoins, do that right now on Mexi Global or Bybit. Sign up links of those exchanges are here in the video description. And also here on Bybit we have some very new user exclusive bonuses basically that you can get. For example, this percentage here APR on USDT for 2 days you can get. This is only for new users, and of course also some other extra deposit bonuses you will get here as well if you use my link. So that's it for now, guys. Crypto Underground over for now. Have a great day, and make sure to be subscribed on our nice small crypto family that we are building up here. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned, and we're gonna see us all in the next one. Bye for now.